YouTube, it's Charisma, and I am doing a hair unboxing, I guess you could say. I want to do a review eventually, but I just wanted to show you. And I have, well, this is not the hair that I'm doing a review on or unboxing of. I haven't taken it out of the pack yet. It's called ISEE Hair, and I got 3 bundles of the Mongolian hair, Kinky Curly. So the 20-inch, 118-inch, and a 20-inch. And this is the packaging that it comes in. It comes in this little bag right here. It says ISEE Hair. And then on the back it has all the information where to follow them. And then it came with this little thank you card and sort of like a care guide to show you how to care for your hair. And sorry guys, I'm doing this from my phone because I'm kind of in a rush because I have an event to do and I want to put the hair in, but I'm trying to get a video of me before I do all of that. So this is the instructions. And yeah, their shipping was very, very fast. Like 2 days I got the shipping. Their customer service is really good. Like they answer your questions right away. I can't remember exactly how much I paid, but it was under $105. Somewhere between, it couldn't be no more than $108 because I already had my own personal budget and I was like, I'm not gonna spend over that amount. And my original plan was to put it in with the clip-ins, but I'm still trying to figure out, should I clip it in or sew it in? But I'll do a separate video for that. I'm gonna take the hair out now to show you. This is the 18-inch bundle. Let me just show you right here. As you can see, I didn't wash it yet. I plan on washing it. I'm gonna co-wash it first because this is my first time like dealing with weave hair that is curly, and I believe it says 100% human hair. I'm not sure if it's virgin or raw hair. I don't know. I'll put that in the description when I look it up. But I saw lots of girls on YouTube with this hair, and I was so excited. I'm like, I want to try it because you guys know I'm a performer, and I am now experimenting with different types of looks. And so if I have a performance or an audition or something like that, I want to be able to quickly change looks without, you know, a lot of time. I just want to do it quickly and, you know, be ready to present myself beautiful, camera ready, in not a lot of time. So here is the 18-inch bundle, as you can see, and it feels very, very soft. But I just wanted to show you what it looks like. I'm gonna co-wash it, and I don't think I'm gonna have time to get all of that on camera, but maybe I can co-wash it another time and do that for you. But I just wanted to show you my bundles from ISEE Beauty, and I will keep you updated on how I get this done. Thank you guys for watching. Comment and subscribe, and thank you.